stewing some chicken for dinner tonight. I've already added my chives, my jalapeno peppers. Guys, I love jalapeno peppers. It just gives the food such a good flavor. So I'm adding cloves, and I'm adding a little ginger. And we don't measure anything in the Caribbean. We just put a little bit of this. This is cinnamon. So these are my spices, and I have onion and gravy browning. And then I'm going to add a little vinegar. A little vinegar. Yeah, a little vinegar. And I'm going to let that stew. And I'm not sure what I'll be serving it with, but this is going to be our protein tonight. We call it stew chicken in St. Lucia, where I'm from. I think the Jamaicans call it brown stew, but we call it stew chicken. So you just let it cook on slow heat. Yeah. Doesn't it look good already? This is. So I'm going to let that cook.